Friends, when you will close the battery, immediately Q118 will be energized first, because the contacts C118, it is in normal kind of closed condition. C105, C106, C107, Q44 all are normally closed. Q44 is also normally closed, and your GR on 0 to 5, it is in closed condition, so your Q118 will be energized. Q118 will be energized. Now your Q45 will energize. Why? Because you see the BP1 DJ is normally closed. You have pressed this BLDJ switch, so it is closed. Then ZPT 1 or 2 position, so it is also closed. Then you press the BLR DJ. It is a spring switch, close it, and after some few times you release it. Your GR is on 0, so it is in closed condition, so your Q45 will energize next. When Q45 will energize, its normally open contact will be closed in the Q44 branch. So you see Q45 contact is closed, so it is coming. Your Q118 first, it is energized, so it is also in closed condition. Your GR not between in notch, so it is also in closed condition, so your Q44 will get energized. Your Q44 will get energized. So as Q44 and Q45 is energized, then your Q44 and Q45 contact will be in closed condition on the branch of C118. QC where there are no starting phase delay, it will be in normally closed condition, so your C118 will be energized next. Now you see the MTDJ branch. You see all safety relays normally closed contact are in closed condition. Only QPDJ, when your pressure is built up, it will be in closed condition. So MTDJ will energize next.